So this is a very, very raw video. I just came across this idea and I just press record right now and just wanted to give my thoughts very, very raw into the camera again. Currently, I'm dealing with a lot of stress. What environment am I in? I'm going to talk about more broad so you can as well adapt your own situation into my situation. I have an agency, I have a coaching program, and I have different businesses, and mainly it's marketing. Mainly it's about lead systems, funnels, CRM system, paid ads, YouTube funnels, all of this stuff. And I'm the most of my money I'm making by building acquisition channels for others or teaching others how to do it. So I have a done with you model and a done for you model. And this is just how I operate. And currently a big client is I'm feeling is going to jump off. And I was sitting here reading the message and understanding that I wasn't on point as I could have doing certain things, or how I could deliver certain work. And I knew this. I have a lot of going on, and I understood when I don't do certain things that I'm going to be in the situation where a client will jump off and there will be this stressy situation or this situation where I once had the control over, and now this is happening. I paid towards it because I also took my time and took it towards other ventures, other businesses to let them grow. Example, I have this YouTube channel, I have paid ads, and I'm showcasing others how to land high-ticket clients. If you want to know more, I have down below, I have a link. I have a video explaining exactly how to scale towards $10,000 per month. And I have these ventures right now. I'm completely honest with you guys. I have my own done for you agency, what I'm still doing. I scaled this towards 10K, and then I thought, okay, let me showcase this also others. And then I did this, and I still have some done for you work. And then I built another channel which grew in one specific niche very well. And I was trying to build software in there. I was trying to build a service-based business in there. I don't have that much expertise. I have the marketing expertise, but I was growing this channel so good that we're getting major companies into our funnel, such as Amazon, Lenovo, Vodafone. And now I'm in the situation where I'm, okay, what do I do actually right now? Because I do too many things, and therefore too much focus is going towards different ventures and different businesses. And how do I solve this situation right now? When you're on my channel, I often talk about a very simple notebook. And this is literally the thing to go forward to, or to go forward with. Because what I'm doing then is, it's very simple. I'm asking myself questions. The right answers kind of come out of my head, come out of my brain, because my brain already knows my answer. You can do the same. And then I'm asking myself the question. So if you want to know how I solve or what I'm doing in this specific situation, I focus on what I can do best and where I will get the fastest and the highest outcome. So I asked myself, what makes me the most amount of money? And I just wrote the things down, what I'm very, very good at, and what opportunities I have currently on the table, and what brands do want to work with me, and what can I pull to get more leads, and what can I do to get more customers? Because for me, it's very, very easy to scale towards multiple figures with a certain, for example, outreach. It's very, very simple for us, but also do inbound systems such as paid ads and also YouTube. But then what do we do? What do we focus on? What offer do I focus on? Because I've done so many things. And obviously on this channel, I'm very, very honest with you guys. I'm focusing, I want to talk to myself 3-4 years ago and just give my raw explanation what I would do in your situation. And most probably you're a video editor, filmmaker, a marketer, and you're asking yourself, okay, what should I do in stressing situations to make more money, to focus on to get more clients? And the main thing I would do in your situation is focusing on what makes you the most amount of money. And when you know what it makes you the most amount of money, you just do more in terms of getting these clients. Either it's paid ads, either it's a cold outreach, or it's creating content to get customers, either on Twitter, on X, or it's on YouTube here, or it's on Instagram. And then you just build and just focus on those. The hardest or easiest way to get appointments booked is obviously through cold outreach. You just need to focus on, okay, what do you want to sell? How do you do the outreach? What is the outgoing message? What is the pitch, for example? Depends on the strategy. And if you want to know how I scale towards 10K, check out the first link in the description, because this is actually how I did it. And now I just need to focus on, okay, what is the next step here right now? What do we do? What do I do? Because I can be completely honest with you guys. Majority of my money I made with done for you work. But then obviously when I showcase showcases you guys how to do this, obviously this is a paid program and I make also money there, and my students have results and they close $20,000 deals. For example, Nico, you can check out the testimonial. And there's also value, and I can just grow this one as well. It takes time, obviously, it takes focus. And I have this done for you work. I have my YouTube channel, and then I have the other venture, what channel I build it, where other companies, where I try to build this and land big deals where I, for example, wrote an invoice for $15,000 and I was trying to close this deal. The deal didn't close. Obviously, because I don't have that much experience there, but still other companies now coming to this channel, which we built it, because they want to have access towards our clients. So major software brands coming to us and want to do this. What is the conclusion right now? That I'm pretty good in marketing, and I'm pretty good in generating leads through inbound systems, such as, or outbound, cold outbound systems, where I started, which is I started with cold outbound, did the strategy, build this completely automatically to land appointments on a daily, or every second day I land minimum one appointment. So on a weekly basis appointments. And then I build inbound systems with YouTube and paid ads. And now taking a look of everything what I've done it's exactly this: landing clients through cold outreach or landing clients through inbound systems. And now I'm going to deploy this. So if you want to learn or if you want to adapt this towards your situation, I would exactly do this. I would focus on the things you're the best in. And if you want to make more money, you need to offer more value. Example, this YouTube channel we've built has massive reach towards the major companies in one very specific niche. And they want to have access, because when they close a deal there, it means like 30, 100, 200, 500,000, $700,000 deals. And this is massive. This is substantial value. What we are offering them, or what I can offer, because I understand this simple skill, because I mastered one specific skill. I went from editing videos, filming videos, towards then making videos only on YouTube and socials, and then growing YouTube channels so we can acquire customers for one specific product. To come to an end, what do I do at the moment to make the most amount of money and to close high ticket deals? I'm going to offer done for you acquisition channels. If you want to know how this works, how I'm doing this, or how I'm, for example, building this one channel, or how I get this high paying clients into my calendar, and they want to have our leads, they want to have our knowledge, they want to be advised from us, because they want to pay us money to get actually these leads, or pay us money to have this knowledge to build this up for them, for example, and to actually scale beyond this 10,000. Because yes, I scaled towards 10,000 as a video editor and with some YouTube work, but now it needs to go towards the next stage where we're talking about in direction of 100,000. And how to scale towards 100,000 is you just need to offer more value. I didn't do it yet, but somehow I have the roadmap in my mind. I listen to other people which have done that, and this is the exact thing: to offer more value in a shortened amount of time. And if you want to have higher margins, then you shouldn't have that many team members as well. Obviously, there needs to be a setting and closing team, like a sales team. I'm going to close the deals. I already feel with that amount of leads I have at the moment that I need to have a setter, for example. And this is the strategy. So how do we land these clients? I get them inbound, actually, these major companies which want to hire us then at the end. And I'm going to craft paid ads later on when we close these deals, which I have. I'm happy that I'm getting customers as well from a complete different YouTube channel where we mainly talk about one specific AI solution in one specific department of major companies. But other companies come to us and they want to have our customers. And now I can still sell my marketing services. A lot of going on in this video, but if you watched it till the end, most probably you're highly interested to land high ticket deals, to scale beyond 10,000, what to offer as a video editor, filmmaker, marketing specialist, creative agency, mainly agency in the creative space. If you want to learn this, and if you want to come with me in my direction, if you want to scale in the same direction, and if you want to learn the fundamentals to land high ticket deals and actually scale towards 10K per month, then yeah, just click the first link in the description. I have a VSL there, a video sales letter exactly explaining how this works. And at the end, I'm very transparent. The goal of this page is that you book a call into my calendar so I can take a look if I can actually help you. And yeah, if you like the video, just leave a like. I'm currently in Germany. I'm not in Dubai currently because it's Christmas time, as you maybe see here. So yeah, I hope you like the video and we will see each other in the next one. Bye-bye.